Hi guys, I'm Jay. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a holiday ham on the big green egg. It's a very easy recipe using just 4 ingredients, and it's the perfect demo recipe to do right before Easter. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get the egg up to 300 degrees for our cooking temperature. You will notice I got my new rain cap on there, as well as my new regulator cap. A little bit of rain coming out today, but not too bad, not going to stop us. So here we go. We got our butt portion of the ham. You can also use the shank portion if you want. I like the butt. Seems to slice a little bit easier. What we're going to do is we're going to unwrap our ham, and then we're going to give it a quick rinse with some cold water. I like to rinse it off. Nice cold water rinse on there. Looks good. And then I like to take some paper towels and just kind of pat it dry. We're going to add some pineapples to our ham. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually save the pineapple juice. We're going to pull the pineapples right out. And then we also got a jar of cherries. We're going to dress this up, give it a nice holiday look to it, actually. We're going to pick a spot. We're going to throw a cherry up, and we're going to toothpick it right in there. Perfect. I think that's good to go. So let's get this out on our grill and get cooking. We got our ham here inside the egg. We're doing an indirect cook at 300 degrees. We got our convector in there. This is an 8-pound ham we're working with right here. So we're going to go 12 to 15 minutes per pound at 300 degrees. We want to hit an internal temperature of 135. So while our ham is on the egg out there, I'm going to take the leftover pineapple juice we didn't use, and I'm going to add about a half a cup of brown sugar right into that pineapple juice. I almost want to create like a glaze, you know. Now you can see it's a little on the watery side still, so I'll tell you what, we're going to add another half a cup of brown sugar. Perfect. We've been cooking our ham here. It's been about an hour and 45 minutes at 300 degrees. We just checked and we're at the 135 degrees. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of add our glaze right over the top of that ham there. So we're going to let that finish at, we're going to go to 145. We're going to check our temperature, make sure we're at the 145, which we're right where we need to be. So I think we're good to go. What we're going to do is we're going to pull this off now. We're going to let it rest for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to slice it up and serve.